What to do, YouTube? As y'all all know, I don't know, but I'm gonna tell you so you can know. I hate recording on my phone. I hate it. But today, your boy done forgot his memory card, man, or SD card, what do you want to call it, to go into the camera. Oh yeah, she back there with the hood up. So I mean, things is happening. But I got something in the mail today. About to show y'all. Stay tuned, stay locked. We'll get that right, stay ready. You gotta get ready, baby. Let's roll. So this is what I got in the mail today. Some half engine covers. Half engine covers, baby. I'm already done primer them. Got my little primer thing right there. I already washed them. Already done got a little light, I guess you want to say a light sand. Get a little scuff on them. So yeah, we're doing big things, baby. We're doing big things. This time I'm gonna paint it myself. I ain't gotta pay nobody. See how it turn out. That's what I'm gonna do. Took my stuff off. Got the cover sitting right here. Got the scuffer. Got the paint up in there. Got plenty of paints. I'm gonna change that color, make it look like that. As a matter of fact, let me see how close this paint is to it anyway. Just the color. Let me see. Look, not too bad off, man. I just went in the store and picked it out. I guess when I put that gloss on it, probably change it up. Got the red. Hey, that's not a bad. Ooh, that's almost just there. Probably ain't gonna be able to tell the difference. Okay. Got my blue. And you got my gloss. Oh yes, sir. Got my gloss. Let's take it on the inside, because not too much inside of that color. Not too much inside of that color. See, just the blue. That. Now the big piece is gone. So we need two pieces going here, and they had those covers. It's not gonna be bad. Not gonna be bad. All right. We're doing the opposite of that. I'm doing the blue stripes and the red full cover, half cover, most of it. All right. So these are gonna be blue, and the rest of it gonna be that red. Blue, red. I mean blue. Rest of it gonna be red. So let me go ahead and paint those blue real quick. Stay tuned, stay locked, stay ready. You gotta get ready, and I'll be back. Second coat right now. Yes sir, yes sir. Oh buddy, gonna be on when it's on. Hey y'all. And I messed up. I'm in the shadow. Wait a minute. Let me get this way. I done messed it all up. But I'm gonna keep going though. That's just what we do, man. Keep it going, keep it going. I think I messed it up, but hey, I did it myself. So if I mess it up, hey, it's mine. I ain't had to pay nobody for no messed up job. But yeah, I'm gonna keep it moving. See what happens. I shall return. Stay ready. Then you gotta get ready, baby. It's your boy. Him to wait. Stay ready. Well, guess I'm about to put this back on here. I need to get some Loctite, because this, damn, put the wrong side. It turns all the way here when it's tight. It turns here when it's tight. But in the car, I need it to be like this. And see, it's loose like that. So, what am I gonna do? Let's see if some Loctite will help it. Or will it not help it? I don't know. Now I need to cut this. 2 seconds. Dude, killing it right there. Look at it, sound good as hell. Wee. Back again, YouTube. Same day, same day. Finally got this in. Finally got it in. Screwed up in right here. Hoses. I still think this is a little bit too short, but I'm gonna deal with it. This one, I remember I put the Loctite on there, right? Now this bitch don't even move. So I'm gonna end up putting the Loctite on this one too, because this one's got a little play in it. And I don't want it to have a little play. So I'm gonna put this Loctite on it to stop it from that play. Also, I got my crankcase filter. If you look, this hose right here is the hose that went there to from the catch can thing. Right there. There's the hose, that's the filter. It's a little $12, $15 filter I bought from, I think it was O'Reilly's. Yeah, matter of fact, O'Reilly's. I used the elbow that was over there, and I used the tubing that was over there. Plugged it up, and now it sits there. But like I said right there, I'm gonna change this out. Not change it out, but use the Loctite on it real quick to make it sit still, and there won't be so much play in it. So other than that, man, got the engine covers over here. There's the engine covers sitting right there. They actually don't look too bad now. I sand them down a little bit, but I mean, they're not perfect. I'm not a painter. But yeah, other than that, man, I'll let y'all see the finished product when I'm finished with it though. It's your boy, them two ways. Stay ready, you gotta get ready. So, as y'all all know, I already had this one professionally ironed. Yeah, professionally done. All right. And these are the ones I did on my own. It's not the best, but guess what? This cost me about $60 for all the paint, which I just bought too much paint to get it done anyway. So, we're going with these two now versus that one. These two versus that one. And plus, like I said, everything up under here, it damn near matches everything up under here. Look. Yep. I still gotta do that over. I just can't leave it off, so I gotta keep doing it over and taking it off. But don't want to leave it off. But like I said, man, I did it. I applied 2 coats of clear on here. Got a little bit. I mean, it ain't the best, but it ain't the worst either, bro. A little tool I was using the whole time. But it's on, baby. It's on.